Hello, everybody, and welcome to Aurora Friday Alpha Leaks, the series of videos that we are doing every Friday at this time, live streaming and sharing with you the updates from the Aurora project. This week, we have multiple interesting news for you, and the biggest one and the most important one is that Aurora project has launched a DAO. This decentralized autonomous organization is going to govern the whole Aurora project. And from now on, Aurora Labs, as just a development company that is working towards the development of the Aurora protocol, is not owning all of the decisions that are made by the within the Aurora project. So now we have a DAO. It consists of 11 members. You can see all of these members here on aurora.dev/DAO website. These are all of these members are representing different pieces of the Ethereum ecosystem and a little bit of Near ecosystem. So from Near side, we have only one seat in the DAO, and literally that's it. So in the involvement or like the ability to influence the direction of the movement of the Aurora project from the Near ecosystem is quite limited, as you can see here. But besides that, we have quite a lot of members and very, I would say, decentralized type of members with different background, with the different focus in their core businesses. And we are really happy that all of these people and companies have joined us. So we have three companies that are representing the VCs, or like the venture capital, people who are dealing with money. These are Dragonfly Capital, Pantera Capital, and Lemnis Cap. Different funds. If you ever have been working with these, they are focusing on different things. Dragonfly is more the strategic type of thinkers. Pantera, super well connected and very a good fund. And Lemnis Cap reach the perfection in operations, so they can help us from this sides. They will be able to help Aurora project from these sides. Besides that, we have also projects from the Ethereum ecosystem that actually joined the Aurora DAO. We have OKX who joined from and they will help us with the connection with different exchanges and how users are interacting with the exchanges. We have some infrastructure projects that are joining us, including Infura and Covalent. Obviously, Infura will be helping us with the RPCs and how the developers are working with it. Covalent on the side of the indexing of the blockchain and making sure that the front ends of different applications are working smoothly and everything is good there. We have a wallet represented in the DAO. This is I'm Token. This is the biggest Chinese wallet and one of the biggest wallets in general in the Ethereum ecosystem. And then we have a couple of representatives from the DeFi landscape. These are Dodo Exchange and 1inch, also very known, very big projects. And we are really glad that all of these great partners are there in the DAO, and they are now able to govern the Aurora protocol and move it to the great future. Just to tell you a little bit more about the DAO, Aurora DAO uses Sputnik DAO framework that is now used on Near blockchain. This is probably the standard for the DAOs on the Near blockchain. There are more than 250 DAOs that are launched using this framework. And the way how the operations of the DAO are done right now after the launch of the DAO is that all of the partners that are holding the seats in the DAO, they have exactly one vote in each type of a decision. So it means that Aurora, Dragonfly Capital, Pantera, Lemnis Cap, and up to Infura, all of these companies or individuals, they have only single vote, and they have absolutely symmetric rights on governing the protocol. Which means that Aurora Labs literally lost what I was telling to you in the very beginning. Aurora Labs lost its position with having an ability to decide on the direction of the movement of the whole Aurora project, and now it is decentralized. The plan of Aurora Labs for the DAO is extend. We will try to push the extension of the amount of companies and people involved in the DAO. We believe that something like 25 members in the DAO is going to be a more or less nice amount and pretty decentralized amount. And yeah, we're just hoping for a very productive and collaborative operations of the DAO. And we are really, really happy that our vision of the decentralization is finally fulfilled in this DAO, and we are able to move forward in a decentralized manner. So super excited. I believe in the following weeks you will see lots of interest, lots of decisions that are made by the DAO, because the beginning of the project, the beginning of the decentralized operations is always very important. And from the first decisions, many things in the future are going to depend. To come to some others, some other news from the Aurora ecosystem. For our Russian community, it was the stream with the encrypted channel, pretty known channel in CIS in general. So I was coming there. We were talking about Aurora and Near, how these are two connected with each other. And in case you have missed this content, please make sure that you are able to go there and take a look at this 1.5 hour video. Again, it is in Russian. And now, as you all probably know, autumn often means the start of the conference season. And from now on, we are going to update you on different conferences that where we are going to be presented. And first set of conferences are World Blockchain Summit, then this additional World of Web3 Summit, and this Gulf Blockchain Week. All of these are taking place in Dubai over the course of the next week, and the Aurora team is presented there. So if you would like to connect with us, get in touch with Aurora is Near Twitter, and we will be able to coordinate our meetings in Dubai during next week. After this, we are going to plan to visit ListCon again. Connect us. We're going to plan our meetings. This is the Ethereum conference in Lisbon. And right after this conference, obviously, we are going to be visiting NearCon. This is the first Near targeted conference. And obviously, we even have no chance to miss it. We're for sure going to be there. So please come and join us on NearCon, October 26th, October 27th in Lisbon. So in case you're visiting ListCon, you can just extend by an additional couple of days your visit there, and we will be able to meet there and discuss anything. Last but not least, as always, I'm pointing out to the people who are looking for a new job, or you have some people in your network who are looking for a job or considering alternatives, to come to our careers webpage on our website. There are a set of different positions there, and the position list is going to grow. Take a look there. Maybe you will be able to find a good position, a good open position for you. Or in case you are not seeing one, maybe you just need to message us using our Help Scout tool here, and you will be able to. We will be able to talk with you on maybe other positions in case you would like to join our team. So that's it. I see that we have a question in the YouTube. whether we are planning to tokenize the vote of the DAOs. So at the moment, the way how DAO is working is the following. All of the members have, as I said, symmetric rights. So in case everyone are going to decide, in case somebody will come with a proposal to exclude, for example, Aurora Labs from the DAO, and others are going to support this decision, then Aurora Labs is going to be excluded. Absolutely the same holds true for any other member. So the decentralization here is absolutely democratic, as you are able to see in normally in big countries that are following democracy principles. So there is no need to tokenize the seats in the DAO at the moment. There is no point in doing this. It's just one seat, one vote, and that's it. There is no connection to the token, especially with regard to the fact that there is no token launched for the Aurora project. This might be happening in future in case the DAO is going to decide on this. But then the question is how this token is going to be used, whether it is going to be used for the governance of the Aurora project or not. It is up to the discussions. So there is no need to tokenize the seats there. And as you can see here, we have only three VCs, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 projects, 6 Ethereum projects that are able actually to make their own decisions in case they decide it, right? Even without connection to Near or Aurora Labs, right? So yeah, that's it. And another question, yeah, 11 votes seems less decentralized than 100,000 votes. Yeah, I agree with you. Right now it is 11. Scaling Aurora DAO to the amount of 100 to have their 100,000 seats in this particular DAO is going to be hard, and I believe there is no need to do this. But in terms of the token voting, I believe that there are quite a lot of perspective. There is quite a lot of good things connected with the token holder voting, with some specific aspects of the governance. So let's see how the DAO is going to work. Let's see how the DAO is going to, whether the DAO is going to discuss the token or is going to decide on the token inception. Let's see how it's going to work in the future. But even right now, we have a pretty decentralized setup here, with the different competences right there in the same room. Great. Thanks for joining us. As always, see you in exactly 1 week from now, next Friday. And I believe we are going to have quite a lot of things to tell you already in a week time. See you.